Today I'm going to show you how to make cinnamon rolls, so let's get started. First I'm going to activate the yeast. To activate the yeast in the warm water, add 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of yeast, and let it sit for a few minutes until it starts to bubble. Now in a large bowl, whisk 1 egg with 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon salt, 4 tablespoons sugar, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, whisk well. Now I have 4 cups of flour here and I am adding half of my flour in. And 1 teaspoon vanilla. As you can see, yeast is activating, it starts to form up. Now I'm going to add the yeast mixture. Then add the remaining flour. Combine well. Knead the dough on a floured surface for 5 to 10 minutes. Shape the dough into a ball and then place in a greased bowl. Cover with plastic wrap and place it in a warm place to rise for about 2 hours. After the dough has rested for 2 hours, punch the dough down and roll it out onto a floured surface about 15 inches or so. Spread 4 tablespoons of unsalted softened butter. Now very quickly mix together 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Sprinkle it all over the dough. Tightly roll the dough. And cut into 7 to 8 pieces. Arrange rolls in a greased baking pan. Cover with plastic wrap and put them back into a warm spot for about 30 minutes. To make the glaze, add 4 tablespoons powdered sugar, 4 tablespoons of cream cheese, 4 tablespoons melted butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla. Slowly add the warm milk as you require it until you get a runny glaze consistency. Perfect. My cinnamon rolls looks great. As you know, I had them in a warm place for about half an hour. Now brush them with some melted butter. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. Remove the rolls from oven. Pour the glaze over cinnamon rolls and enjoy. Hope you guys like it. Share this recipe with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep updated.